The Noah William Home Sink NW-100 is an exceptionally versatile utility sink that fits seamlessly into any laundry room, garage, garden, or basement, offering a practical solution for diverse cleaning tasks. Its impressive 25.6-gallon capacity ensures ample space for washing bulky items or providing a comfortable bath for your pets without worrying about messes. Crafted from durable polypropylene, this sink is built to withstand heavy use in residential, commercial, and industrial settings, ensuring long-lasting performance. The sleek black design of the sink adds a modern touch to any setting, effortlessly enhancing the aesthetic of your home decor. Equipped with a user-friendly two-handle chrome plastic faucet, it allows for easy control over water temperature and flow, making your cleaning tasks more efficient. This complete sink set includes a multi-purpose removable rack and integrated bottle shelves, making it a hassle-free addition to both indoor and outdoor spaces.